If you're from Southern California, chances are you've seen a loquat tree. Even if you didn't know you've seen a loquat tree. They are ubiquitous in Los Angeles as an ornamental planted for their attractive, tropicalesque foliage. But they can do so much more. Let's take a look at the loquat tree and discover why loquats make great additions to your edible landscaping and food forest. When it comes to loquats, the most complicated part may be noticing the trees that are already around you. Find a tree you are certain has not been sprayed with pesticides and obtain permission from the owner to gather the fruits and leaves. Of course, you can plant a loquat for yourself. They are easy to grow in USDA zones 8 through 10. The biggest challenge then will be waiting a few years for your tree to mature before it will fruit, but it is worth the wait. Once you have some loquat fruit and leaves, the rest is easy. The fruit can be easily eaten with or without the peel. Loquat seeds are large, but easy to scoop or spit out. But the real secret is that the leaves can be used fresh to make a delicious tea. Just steep in boiling water and strain with a very fine screen to remove the fuzzy hairs from the bottom of the leaves. And there you have it, a delicious golden tea. So, how do loquats rate? The loquat gets 4.5 out of 5 stars on the SSA Food Forest scale. If you're in the right zones, these are easy, hardy, and prolific early bearers that are great for both food and beverage. It doesn't get much better than this. I recommend you give this tree a try in your food forest. Did you learn something new today? Poke that like button and leave a thumbs up and share with gardeners in your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon with more food forest videos from Suburban Stone Age.